everyone, is anyone having this type of issue with bluesky? Trying to log in. Okay, next solution, install Google keyboard. It could be a Samsung issue with the keyboard, and then we'll try it again. There we go. Enable settings, default, then right there, yes, set enable it, and let's give it a try. Nope, nothing. Okay, I actually got it working with Google Keyboard. What it basically did is just it asked me to do a few other steps in the app before I could activate it properly. Then I closed the app and relaunched it, and voila, it's working. And I'm in. Great. Well, hopefully you enjoy this. Let me know if you have any similar issues.